to go back and take some notes just on some vocabulary. So what I want you to do in your table of contents, remember we skipped 11, 12. If you didn't skip these pages, you can just go to the next 2 pages in your composition book. And we're just going to have 11 and 12 be integer basics. And you can go ahead and put today's date, even though I know we skipped it. I already did these notes in my notebook on page 12. You can see them here. So I'm just going to go through and do them with you on a separate sheet of paper, but you should be doing yours in your notebook. So on page 12, we have integer basics. There's just a few vocabulary things that I want us to get down, but it's everything, stuff that we've gone over already. So the first vocab word I want you to get down is integers. So integers are all whole numbers and their opposites. So that's important to remember with integers. They have to be whole numbers. They can be negative or positive, but you can't have decimals or fractions with integers. Just to sketch out a number line, just so we can see all the integers, go ahead and sketch out a number line. We could even do -5 to 5. So starting at -5, just going down, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have this number line. So with this number line, just remember anything to the left of 0 is negative. Anything to the right of 0 is positive. And then 0 itself is neither positive or negative. Okay, so that's just integers. Now in this definition of integers, we have the word opposites. So let's get that vocab word down as well. Opposites, sorry, I misspelled that, opposites are numbers that are the same distance oops. So numbers that are the same distance from 0, but on opposite sides of the number line. So for example, something like 3 and -3, or 20 and -20, they're all opposites. The last vocab word I want to make sure you have down is absolute value. Absolute value is the integers distance from 0. Remember, absolute value is always positive. It's not the opposite, it's just always positive. If it starts out positive, the absolute value is still positive. So the absolute value of -8 would be 8. The absolute value of 17, even though it's positive 17, the absolute value is still positive 17. And the absolute value of 5 is 5, and so on. So those are some vocab words that we've done already, but I just want to make sure you have the definitions written down.